What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, a little red, right? Got this cool fancy canopy we put up last time we were here. We're in Henderson Harbor. I'm getting the jet ski ready for an oil change, something that I've never done myself, so I've been watching videos. For how small this road is, there's a lot of little traffic, so the dogs bark quite a bit. So you're gonna have to bear with me. I've been watching SK Lifestyle videos. I'll link the video in the description below to the video I watched to see how to do the oil change. Doesn't seem too bad. For the amount of hours that I've put on this thing, I kind of neglect to do the oil change. So this will be my first one since I've owned it. I really haven't put too many hours on it. So we're gonna get right into it. For the brand new viewers, my name is SLIFeslye. Let's start right off with crushing that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when I upload new videos. And let's get this video started. So the first thing we're gonna start with is getting the seat off. With any luck, you'll see me kill myself on camera. So I'm looking to do a few things. We're gonna do the oil change, we're gonna change the spark plugs, and we're gonna do the oil filter. So we're gonna pop the oil. We're gonna take that out. Shove the tube down there and pump it out, and then the oil filter is right there. I want to move right through this, guys, because as promised, I'm trying to shorten these videos. I'd like to do between like 10 and 13, 14 minutes. So we're gonna try to do that. So the first thing we're gonna do is start this up and then run and turn the water on. But I gotta get my key first. So we're gonna start this up for 5 minutes. Shout out to Harbor's End Marina because I forgot my oil thing. So I ran over there, and Mike is the man. Hooked me up with that, so I'm using that. He told me to let it warm up for 5 minutes so the oil flows through. So I'm gonna start it, turn the water on. He also told me don't turn the water on and then start it, because the oil goes all over the top of everything or something he was telling me. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Get it going, run over, and turn the water on. It's gonna take a minute. I might even keep the camera on. Well, maybe I will. This will be the first start of the season, so we're either going to be super disappointed or it's going to go great. We're just gonna let that run for about 5 minutes, so I'm not gonna make you watch. Turn this off, and then we'll move forward from there once we get going. All right, so we got it all warmed up, and now we're just gonna remove the oil. We're gonna remove the oil cap, and now we're gonna remove the dipstick. I should have brought napkins out here with me. So I already ran into my first issue, and you guys know I'm not mechanical, so this tube is supposed to go, let me flip this over for you, into here, but it's too big. So if we don't have anything here, I just got to run back over to the marina and they'll have the right size tube. Simple as that. It's just a pain because we don't bring tools here usually, so it is what it is.
Where's your power coming at?
Coming?
Yeah, how do you know?
You feel it.
It got
It's hard. If it's got hard, then it's coming.
So got the oil all pumped out, and now I am going to do the oil filter, which is on pretty tight, so we're getting some channel locks. And it is right there. So when we get that loosened up, or when I get it loosened up, we'll take it out and show you what to do. So we got, hang on, let me get out of the sun where you can see. So we got to take that red piece off, we got to take that off, and then there's another grommet at the top. There's supposed to be a small one. Don't look like the small one's there though anymore. It actually looks pretty good, but when you got it off, Alright, so we got the oil filter all put back together. I had to do it a couple times because I just wasn't sure if what I was doing was right. And basically what we got to do is, I want to set it down because I don't want to get dirty. Seat it into that hole. So it went in. We're just gonna crank on it until it's nice and tight. So I'm a novice for sure, guys, but I don't know if you got to see that. I just wanted to tighten it down with the channel locks, and now we are gonna pour the oil back into the oil tank, reservoir, whatever you wanna call it. So right now we're about to do the oil change. So everything I searched for the oil said 3 to 4 liters, mostly 3 liters. So I'm gonna put half the jug in and then test the dipstick. It says make sure the dipstick, the oil level's halfway in between the two bends. I'll show you that in a minute, but let's get this. My kit came with a little fill fast, fill clean, fill anything, little funnel. So on the dipstick, they say there's 2 bends right there. It says it, when you fill it up, it should be halfway in between. I always wondered this because every time I check it, I'd look for the F or the E, none to be seen. So it's showing about halfway. I don't know if you guys could see it or not. Right about there. I'm gonna just dump a little tiny bit more in. All right, guys, so that is a wrap. I did the oil first time ever by myself, and then I did the oil filter. Everything went pretty smoothly for a novice. I mean, had a few hiccups, but that was just because I didn't know what I was doing. Huge shout out to SK LIFEstlye. I'll put the video of his, the link to his video in the description below. Got to give credit where credit is due. And a huge shout out to End Marina for letting me use the old oil jug. So I'll put their info in the description too, just because, you know, they didn't have to let me borrow that, so that's cool of them. So with that being said, guys, so do me that favor, tell your grandmas, your grandpas, your moms, your dads, your aunts, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, anybody you know about my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you guys. Peace out. We'll see you next time. Merch store is getting close too. I'm gonna be going on vacation. When I come back, I'm gonna freaking let it go. I'm gonna let the merch store, the online store, flourish.